Who are the main people in an e-commerce migration?
It depends on the company, how huge the company is, but usually these are SEOs, developers, all the, like, for example, a marketing manager who is managing directing this migration, and sometimes this is the person who is like a bridge between developers and SEOs, but I still prefer to have direct access to developers as well, at least calls with them, so that they 100% understand what I mean. So yeah, basically developers, SEOs, marketing managers who are in charge of this. And if there are any people who are involved from the content management system side, it's a rare case. Especially, it usually happens when this is a custom CMS, they can be involved as well.